Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shruti Upais. So guys, today we are going to deal with some collocations in English language. Now, I know this term may be new to you for some of you. So first let me explain that what is collocation. So collocations are the combination of two or more than two words that often go together. Now you must be thinking that what are those combinations? For example, if you have got a job, so you will always say that I have got a new job. Like with a job, you always use the verb get. You will never say that I have received a new job. Okay, this is grammatically incorrect. Though people tend to confuse between get and receive, when to use get, when to use receive, right? But with job, whenever you got a new job, you got a new opportunity, you always say that I have got a new job or I have got a new opportunity. So get plus job. So this is a collocation. Get is a verb and a job is a noun. So this is the collocation of verb and noun. Similarly, we have different types of collocation, as in we have adverb plus adjective, we have adjective plus noun, we have noun plus noun, we have verb plus noun, we have noun plus verb, we also have verb with expression with certain prepositions. So these are the combination of collocation. Similarly, if I'll give you some other examples, so that would be take a holiday, take a rest, take a break. So these are the collocations, and these collocations are the savior for us, because we non-native speakers of English, we tend to get confused, particularly that which verb follow which noun and which preposition will come after which noun and adjective and so on. So we actually tend to confuse between this thing, and these collocations are the savior. I'm telling you, these are the savior. So you must be aware of these collocations, and by using these collocations, you can say your half work is done. Firstly, of course, it will help you out to frame your daily sentences, and secondly, definitely it is going to make you rich in your daily expression or in your daily life communication. And what else we need whenever we want to communicate in English, right? Do not worry guys, today I have come up with some pair of collocation to solve this, you can say, a sort of a question mark whenever we frame daily life sentences. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon button to get the notification of my future video. And if you really like the video, then guys, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please do that. So guys, secondly, there is no need to have an explanation for such combination, because these combination are the set combination. So I'm going to give the set combination, okay, and with an example. I'm going to give an example also, so it will be very clear that how to use these collocations in the sentences. So now let's get started. So your first collocation is take a break. For example, I think you should take a break. Second collocation is take an exam. For example, tomorrow at this time I will be taking an exam. And here, taking an exam means you are writing. You are going to write the examination. So whenever you go and write the examination, whenever you appear for the examination, you always say that I'm taking an examination. Third is take a chance. For example, I think you should take a chance with this job. Next is take a rest. For example, you have just recovered from your illness. I think you should not work out. Instead, you should take a rest. Next is take a seat. For example, would you like to take a seat beside me? Now we are going to do collocation with verb make. Now let's see what are those collocations. So the first collocation is make a difference. For example, your positive attitude will definitely make a difference in your life. Next is make a mess. For example, I should not have made a mess with my colleague. Next is make a mistake. For example, during the learning process, during any learning process, it's pretty fine to make a mistake. Next is make a trouble. For example, I don't want to make any trouble for anyone. Next is make breakfast, lunch or dinner. For example, today I'm going to make breakfast. Next is make a decision. For example, it's the right time to make a decision. Next is make an effort. For example, if you make an effort towards your goal, definitely you will be successful one day. Next is make clear. So I want to make it clear right away. And the last collocation is make a wish. So guys, right now, straight away, close your eyes and make a wish. I'm serious, make a wish. And you are done. So guys, I hope that you must have liked this video, and in case you liked the video, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.